This video is going to show you how to create composite items using CSV import on Stok.ly. Now, first things first, what is a composite? A composite is a bundle of items that you would sell together as a package to your customers. Now, you can do this in the back office if you wanted to, if you were just doing a single composite at a time. But if you want to create multiple ones, you can also use the CSV import. And that's where things get really interesting and really easy to use. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you what needs to be done to create that composite. So firstly, we need to go to a standard CSV import file for creating an item. Please check out the create items using CSV file video if you haven't already. But what I'm going to do is just go over to the CSV file and show you what's needed to create the parent of the composite. Now, here we are in the CSV file. So we have a few columns filled. You don't need every column filled for this because this is just the parent of the composite. So what do we have here? We have the SKU, which is unique to every single item on Stok.ly. We have the column is variable. Now, for creating the composite parent, this needs to be set to no. We have the item type, which is already pre-created in Stok.ly. We've got barcodes, we've got the name, description, weights, dimensions. The other key column that you need to be aware of in doing this is the is purchased column. Now, when creating the composite, parent, we need to make sure this is set to no. Then I've got a couple of other columns that I filled in. So I've got things like my price, so the price I'm going to be selling the composite at, the currency, and the VAT amount as well. Those are the columns that we need to get filled in for this. So we'll just make sure we have that saved. And now we're going to head back to Stok.ly to import this particular bundle. So now that we're back in Stok.ly, what I'm going to do is just going to click import this item. We're not ready to import the actual what goes into the composite. So all I'm going to do is just click the file, make sure I'm importing the right file here, click next, checks, make sure everything looks great, which it does. We're going to be creating this, and I'm going to generate a barcode as well because Stok.ly is great for generating barcodes if you don't have them already. And then it says it's all done, so I can go back to items, check the Pixelate Pro plus screen protector. As you can see, there's nothing in there right now, and that is absolutely fine. So what's next? Go into creating the actual bundle. So what does go into the bundle? Now, if you've not seen the file before and you've never done this process yet, so what you need to do is click on import composing items, and you can see download the latest template. Click on that and then save that to your desktop or wherever you're saving the files to. As you can see, I've already got it there, so I'm just going to click cancel, and I'm going to go to Excel and open that file. Here we are. So we've got the file. At the moment, it is currently blank, so what do I need to do to input that? So in the SKU column, this is the SKU of the parent of the composite. So that item that we've just created in Stok.ly, we want to go back to Stok.ly, find the item, and make sure we get that SKU right there. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it really simple and easy. I'm just going to copy, and I'm going to paste that straight into there. And there's going to be two items that are going to make this bundle up. So I'm just going to put SKU in there for twice. You can put the same SKU twice in there, and the composing SKU is the SKUs for the items that are going to go into this bundle. So we've got this one here. So I'm just going to copy and paste that straight across. And then we've got this one here as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste that one as well. Now, how many goes into this bundle? So you've got quantity and item column. And for this particular bundle, it is one item of each that goes into the bundle. Now, this could be different for you. You can put however many that are required to go into your bundle or composite. Once you've got that done, click Save, and then you go back into Stok.ly, back into Import and Import Composing Items. Same process as before. Find the file, check it. So we click Next, checks to make sure everything's fine. It goes, yes, everything's great. You're ready to proceed. Create. So we're creating the brand new composite here. We're adding stuff into the file, and everything is done. No errors at all. So now, if we go back into items, we go into the SKU, drop it down, and now we can see we've got 2 items right here ready for selling onto our EPOS system or our channel of choice. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager or please check out our great support pages.